This video is super interesting because now I'm going to show you that how we can use AI to make a slide presentation. And I'm going to share with you few tools that you can use for free, and most of them are almost free. Okay. So let me show you the first tool. This is like Canva Magic Design. So what you need to do, you just need to go to Google. I need to type Canva Magic Design. Then you will get this website. As you can see, this website, canva.com/magic design. And you need to open it. Then you need to write a prompt in there. And then you will get your template and you can customize it. Okay. And the next thing is, here are few more tools. One is Figma Community, then Google Slider. They have few templates, you can say. Then have another platform called SlidesGo. This is a resource. You'll get to see a lot of resources that's offer templates. Okay, let me show an example step by step. So first thing, I come in google.com and now I'm going to search Figma Community, and as you can see, if I open it, this will be open. Okay, as you can see, this is the community. And now if you search here presentation, then you will get to see. If you search your presentation and if you select here this file, then you'll need to select here free. Then you will get to see all of this slide in here. Okay, and all of them are kind of free. Okay, and the next thing is like Google Slider. So you can search here Google Slider, just search it, then you will get this website here. As you can see, you can just simply open it. Okay, then the next is like, you know about everyone, Canva. So you can come here, this canva.com, and it's also have a SlideGo, right? So let me search here SlideGo, just SlideGo, and go to this website. And now as you can see, they have a lot of templates that have a premium and also it's have a free. Just search your keyword like which type of template you're looking for, then you'll get it. And the last website is, if you see, this is Gamma, and you will get this link into the bonus section. All of this link that I'm showing to you in here in this video, you will get to see all of them into the bonus section. Okay, now let me show you that how we can use AI to create a presentation. So mainly we're going to use this Gamma tool app, like Gamma app, this one. So to create it, we need to just click on this option called create new. Just click on there. So I have already created my account, that's why I get to see the option into I'm get to see something like this. So just click create new, this button, then you will get to see like how you want mainly. So I personally like to generate. Okay, so just click on generate. Then they are asking to you that which thing you like to generate. Do you like to generate presentation, website, or document? What do you want mainly? So I want to generate here the presentation, and now you can describe more in here. Okay, and also you can like tell like how many cards you personally like. So let's say I'm gonna select here 8 or 10. So based on this card, I think they're gonna charge you on a credit from your account, and every single month you will get a credit to, you know, like every single month you will get. So I'm gonna show you in later. Okay, so now in here you need to describe more details about this. So okay, so now let's say I'm going to select, as example, I'm showing you this one. Okay, this is my prompt for example, and let's click on this create outline, this button. Then as you can see there, just you know, like write down the outline of this, and they also suggesting like if you're going to use the image, then how you and which image model you're going to use. So let's say right now it's playground, but if you like to change it to DALL-E or anything else, then you can do it. It's medium selected, and after clicking on this next, you get to see something like this. This is mainly our prompt, and this is the outline based on our prompt. Okay, they mainly make the outline. So outline is something like in every single slide, and what you're gonna talk about with this slide. So it's totally depend on your video topic, and inside of the video, what are you gonna explain to your student? This is mainly the slide part. Okay, so I hope you understand about it. So you can simply just change the title. If you like to say something different, then you can just tell it. Or you can use AI like ChatGPT on or Jeremy to use the same prompt and tell them just write an outline or research about it. Then you can just use the same outline in here. Okay, so if you don't understand, then I will show you in later an example, like real example, that how it is. Okay, now let's go with this continue button, and as you can see, Now they are talking about which theme we're gonna use. Right now, it's selected this theme, right? Like basic line. If you don't like it, then simply click on this shuffle theme, then you get a different theme in there. If you click on there again, you get a different one, and if you click again, then you get a different one like this way. As you can see, we're continuously getting it. You can also select the theme from here. As you can see, it's have a dark, light, and professional. So let's say I like to go with the light, and as you can see, it's have a multiple option. Let's say highlight this one. This is also looks good, right? Or if you go with this one, not looks so good. This is also looks simple, but I personally like this one. Okay, let's now click on this generate button to generate our presentation. Alright, so as you can see, now they are generating based on our outline. They are, as you can see, generating everything. And as you can see on the places need images, they mainly taking it from AI. And yeah, it's almost generating everything, almost 10 pages they're gonna generate. And after this, we can do customization how we want. Alright, so if you like to go to the back to the prompt, then you can definitely go back, right? And now you can do the customization. Alright, so as you can see, this image gonna load in here on the left side, as you can see. And after this, if you like to change a different way, or if you like to do a different thing, then you can do it. Also, if you like to edit the image, then you can do it. And now you can see like here in the text, so you can simply do the customization of the text. Like if you don't like it, let's say you don't like it, so what you can do, you can simply just click on this AI option, and then you can tell like what you want. If you like to do something different, then you can definitely do it. And here is like comments option. If you like to make a comment, like if you like to do the collaboration with the team, then you can use this. That means this thing also offer collaborations like Figma. Okay, and if you go to this top of this bar, then you get to see the presentation, and it's have a full screen mode, and open a new tab, and it's also have a link. Like using link, people can like follow the link and check it out. And also you can do the same, you can use it also. And it's have a share option, you can share it. Also if you like to export it as a PDF, PowerPoint, like this, then you can do it from here. Okay, and also if you like to publish it in your site, then you can do it. Okay, so in our case, I think I don't really need to export it and need to see in a preview on there, because it's already have a preview option. So I can simply make it full screen and you can check it out, as you can see. And if I just simply click on the next button to go to the next thing, as you can see, it's also have animation, and you can do the customization of here. Okay, all of this you get to see in here. And one thing, if you notice here, that these images looks really AI. This is not look like human. As you can see, it looks human, but this is generated by AI. So it's totally visible. So I don't really want that. So to change the image, double click on there, then you get to see this option called AI image. On the top of this, just select whichever image you like to add. So if you like to use like Unsplash image, then you can do it. If you like to use web search image, then you can do it. Also, if you like to upload your image, then you can simply upload it, and here you can see the size of image that you need to upload in here. So you can follow the size of this image to upload it. Okay, all right, so you can simply just replace it of your image, or you can simply type your URL, and then this image will be changed. Okay, so I hope guys you understand, and now you can explore more about it. You can just spend more time and just playing all of this. You can play with this AI, so you can spend more time in there and let me know that how it is.